Introduce highlight features or overview summary for FAJOMRI leaf blower cordless, 580 CFM, 160 mph electric leaf blower with 2x 4.0 amp-hour battery and charger. That's features are include: high-power cordless leaf blower. Breaking tradition, it adopts advanced axial fan technology and a powerful motor to provide a strong air volume of up to 580 CFM and a high-speed wind force of 160 mph. The efficient heat dissipation and low energy consumption design not only improve the overall performance of the device, but also ensure long-term stable work, making your cleaning work easier. Dual 20-volt, 4.0 amp-hour batteries. The dual battery design allows for alternate use and can run for up to 30 minutes in high-speed mode, 15 minutes per battery. The battery is equipped with overheat protection, which is safe and reliable, and the power indicator light allows you to know the power status at any time. Our battery system improves device performance and extends battery life, making your leaf blower an ideal tool for garden care. 3 speed modes plus double tube design. Through 3 speed settings, it is easy to adjust the wind power of the electric leaf blower, from soft wind speed to strong wind speed. Each speed setting can fully adapt to different cleaning scenarios and completely solve the problem of insufficient single speed. The dual tube design makes cleaning more efficient and flexible, resulting in a better use experience. User-friendly design. Considering the needs of users, this battery-powered leaf blower is designed to reduce user fatigue. It only weighs 4.3 pounds and has a rubber-wrapped handle, and is equipped with a shoulder strap to effectively reduce the burden of operation. The cordless design avoids the restraint of wires, allowing you to operate it easily and without burden. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.